I'm sure you've seen these faceless channels that make relaxing music videos. You know, the ones your friends and everyone else keep saying can't be monetized. But here's the thing. This niche is probably one of the most misunderstood on all of YouTube. Seriously, take a look at this channel that's only about a year old and it's already killing it with these crazy numbers, and yep, it's monetized. The same applies to this other channel that's only a few months old. Still, most people have this misconception about entering the niche. And honestly, I get why. A lot of those YouTube gurus out there are selling this niche like it's some sort of get-rich-quick scheme. But what happens? New creators dive in without a real strategy and end up getting demonetized just as fast as they started. That's why today, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own monetizable music videos the right way. Plus, I'll give you some tips on what you need to avoid so your hard work doesn't go to waste with a sudden demonetization. I'll even share the monetization strategy that these successful channels are using to rake in even more cash. So stick with me until the end, and don't forget to hit those awesome buttons if you find this video helpful. As a little bonus for anyone who sticks around till the end, I'm going to share 2 super important tips that will help you grow in this niche. Now let's dive in. The first thing you absolutely need to keep in mind is to avoid using royalty-free music from websites like Pixabay or Envato Music. Using music that doesn't belong to you for this niche will get flagged as unoriginal content. Sure, you can use those tracks as background music for your voiceovers, but if you're just uploading them and expecting to get paid, YouTube is not having it. Another thing, everyone's using those same tracks, which breaches YouTube's policy on reused content. So, what's the best way around this? Simple. You create your own music. But this is where people tend to slip up again. They go on Fiverr, pay someone to make a soundtrack for them, and sometimes that music gets sold to a bunch of other clients, leading to the same reused content issue and demonetization. To avoid that hassle, we're going to use AI to create the soundtracks. There are a bunch of AI music generators out there, but 2 of the most popular ones are Udio and Suno AI. The best part? The music these tools generate is copyright-free and totally unique. While neither tool is completely free, you can still generate a good number of songs with just a free account. Before we generate our music, let's get creative with ChatGPT to help us come up with a simple song description. You can paste this command and let ChatGPT generate a prompt for us. Once that's ready, head over to Suno AI and hit this button. We'll paste our command here, but first, make sure to select the instrument option. Then, you can go ahead and paste your prompt. Feel free to tweak the command however you like. Once you're happy with it, hit Create, and Suno AI will take care of the rest. It will give you 2 tracks at a time, so take a listen and see if they're what you're looking for. If not, don't stress. Just modify the prompt and regenerate the tracks as many times as you need. You can even type in something like Lo-Fi in the description and check out the cool tracks that pop up. Keep regenerating until you find one that really clicks, then go ahead and hit the download button. Now that we've got our music, the next step is to create our relaxing scene. Feel free to get creative with this part, but for this demonstration, let's go with something simple, like a video of someone sleeping. There are 2 ways we can create the video for our relaxing scene. The first option is to generate an image and then animate it. The second is to create the video directly from a text prompt. We're going to need a prompt for our scene, so we can ask ChatGPT to give us some relaxing scene examples. It usually comes up with some great options, and we can pick one to generate the prompt for our scene. But I've already created my own prompt for this video, so we'll be using that. You can find the full prompt in the video description. If you're more into the first approach, feel free to use your preferred image generator. Paid users can go with Midjourney, but if you're looking for a free alternative, Leonardo AI works just fine. Just head to the image creation tool, choose this preset, and set the aspect ratio as needed. Next, you can go ahead and paste the prompt, and within a few seconds, you'll have your image. Check out the results. These images look great, and you can either pick one or generate another batch if you want more variations. Take a look at the different results. They all look pretty good, right? Once you're happy with the image, you can move on to any image-to-video generator. For image-to-video generators, I recommend Pika, Runway ML, Minimax, or Luma Dream Machine. These tools aren't free, but they offer some free credits, which should be enough for what we need here. Feel free to choose whichever one you like, but for this demo, we'll be testing the images with both Minimax and Luma Dream Machine. First, let's head over to Minimax and choose their video generation option. Upload the image we just created and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Free users don't get a ton of credits, but it's enough to generate a few videos. Let's check out the result. Minimax has done a pretty solid job animating our image. Next, we'll repeat the process with Luma Dream Machine. Upload the image, add the prompt, and make sure to check the loop feature. Don't forget to turn off the Enhance Prompt option before generating the video. While we're waiting for our video to be ready, let's go ahead and generate a video directly from our text prompt and see what results we get. Take a look at the final results. Both the image to video and text to video look pretty great, right? Now that everything is ready, let's hop over to CapCut and compile the final video. The first thing we'll do is import our files and add the music to the timeline. Unlike Luma Dream Machine, Minimax doesn't have a loop feature, so we'll be using a simple trick to make the clips seamless. See how there's a slight break when transitioning to the next clip? To smooth this out, just reverse the second clip so it looks like the animation is continuing naturally. Then, duplicate both clips to fill up the timeline. If you used Luma Dream Machine, you won't need to reverse any clips. Just duplicate the files and check out the result. The video flows seamlessly, so you can duplicate the files as many times as you need to fill up the timeline. For videos over an hour long, just duplicate the music track and align it to keep things smooth, or pull it down slightly and add a subtle fade at the end of the top track. This way, everything blends perfectly. Now, just repeat this process until you reach your desired length, and you're ready to export your music video in 1080p resolution. When it comes to monetizing these channels, AdSense is a solid option, but it doesn't have to be the only one. You can boost your income by promoting products that align with this niche, like sound machines or noise-canceling headphones. All you have to do is sign up as an affiliate on platforms like Amazon or ClickBank, or your preferred network, and start promoting these products in your video descriptions. If you want a more straightforward approach, consider connecting a store to your YouTube channel. This way, you can easily tag products in your videos, shorts, and even live streams, making it much easier for viewers to check out the products you're promoting. Now, as promised at the beginning of this video, here are the 2 important tips that will help you grow in this niche. First, refrain from placing too many ads in your videos once your channel is monetized. I know you have limited control over ads before monetization, but after you're approved, make it a point to cut down on the number of ads in your videos. The reason? People who visit these channels are looking for something relaxing, and bombarding them with ads every 15 minutes will only drive them away. This is why channels in this niche aren't raking in hundreds of thousands of dollars just from ads, despite the length of their videos. The successful ones hold back on cramming their videos with ads to avoid annoying their audience. So, keep this in mind. Second, I'm sure you've noticed that most successful channels in this niche run live streams 24/7, and sometimes even have multiple streams running at the same time. This is key to their growth. You'll definitely want to add this to your strategy. To automate these live streams, you can use a platform like Streaming Bots. I won't dive into the details of how to use the platform, but it's pretty straightforward and worth checking out. This niche is pretty cool, but if you're a beginner wanting to dive deeper into YouTube automation, then you should definitely check out this comprehensive video that covers everything you need to succeed with your faceless channel.